Hey, hi. Today we are going to learn some shortcut keys in Excel in our daily life. Most of the people in this pandemic situations are work from home, so they want to make more reports and they want to use the Excel files. And to reduce the time, this is the best option for shortcut keys. To know the shortcut keys and they can reduce their workload and the work time also. So now I'm showing you 30 commands which in our daily Excel reports we used to do. So these are the 30 commands which we can use in our daily life by using the Excel reports. And the first command goes to the current time. For the current time, we have to give the command control plus shift plus semicolon, and the current time will be displayed. And the current date, control plus semicolon, and the current date will be displayed in the particular cells. If you want to undo, control plus Z. If you want to redo, control plus Y. And if you want to open the one more worksheet in the same file, just go to the cell and just use the command shift plus F11, and the command and the new sheet will be open. If you can see, sheet 4 is open now, so you can work on the sheet. And if you want to save the file, we have the 3 commands: shift plus F12, control plus S, and F12. And if you want to open the file, already now we are working on one file, and if you want to open another file, just go with control plus F12, and the box will be open, the command box will be open, and you can choose your the file, and you can open the file. And if you want to print the file, please select the data first, which data you want to be take the print, and go with the command control plus shift plus F12. If not, you can go with the command control plus P. And if you want to close the file, the present running file which you are working on it, and if you want to close the file, before closing, please save the file control plus S and go to the command control plus W to close the file. And if you want to cut the value and paste the value, if you want to cut any value in any particular cell, just use the command control plus X. And if you want to paste the value which you have already removed from the data, just go with another cell where you want to display. Just go with the control plus V, and the value which you have cut the value from the particular cell, and you can paste it in some other particular cell which you have chosen. And then go with the font bold. For example, here you can see 1, 2, 3. Okay, here 4, 5, 6. Now I want to bold this. Just go with control plus 2, and the 4, 5, 6 cell is, the 4, 5, 6 is bold now. And the same cell if you want to do italic, control plus 3. And the same cell if you want to go for underline, control plus 4. Why we use these commands especially? In the whole data, any particular thing if you want to appear with different, so we can use this bold, italic, and underline. Okay, and if you want to use the same cell with different lines, for example, here you can see that in this line, in this cell, I have given the 2 commands: control plus shift plus F12, and the second command is control plus P, but I did not use any space button or anything like that. Just I have given control plus shift plus F12 and give the command alt plus enter, and the second line will be open, and you can give again the second command control plus P. Okay, and then edit cell comment. For example, most of the people nowadays will give the comments instead of writing everything in the Excel sheets. They'll be giving the comments in that comment box. How we want to edit it? For example, here I want to edit this comment. Couple Pulakandam is there already, so I want to change it from couple Pulakandam to Pulakandam couple. So for that, we want to go to shift plus F2, and the comment box will be open. Just change the couple Pulakandam to Pulakandam couple and select any cell, and that comment box will be saved automatically, and you can see them now. Pulakandam couple. And number in date format and number in time format. This is very easy. Nowadays, if we copy and save any data from particular sheet to some other sheets, and the formula will be not copied. So at the time, this shortcut key will be used. So by giving the control plus shift plus 3, the number will be converted into the date format, and control plus shift plus 2 will be convert the number into the time format. For example, Here I'm giving two numbers randomly. Now I want to convert this 2563982 to date format. So I want to use Control plus Shift plus 3. So it was converted into the date. Again the same, this I want to convert into time. Control plus Shift plus 2 and it was converted into the time. Sum action. Sum action is nothing but now I have given 30 commands 1 to 30. If I want to sum total 1 to 30, what is the sum of the 1 to 30? Just go with alt equals to, and the total sum will be appear from 31 cell to second cell, and the number will be 465, the total number. In the same way, most of the people will be using this command. In the hyperlink, coming to the hyperlink, if I want to exhibit any other sheet, like any other file, Excel file of the presentation or any PDF, whatever it is, if you want to present, and you can open from here only directly. Just go with Control K option, and the data will be open, and you can choose wherever the file is there, and in the particular location you can check. And for example, here I'm going with shortcuts presentation PPT. So here I will do OK, and that will be present. And if I go with and if I double click this, and that particular Excel file will, the presentation will be open. Help. For the help, you want to use the command F1. Okay. And the Windows Help Center and support will be open. Whatever, if you have any queries, you can search in this. And coming to hide rows, hide columns, unhide rows, unhide columns. In this, most of the people will be using the hide rows. Why? Because we don't want some particular data and we don't want to use that. So for that, we can select the particular cell, and you can write, you can use the command Control plus 9, and the rows will be hide, Control plus 0. The columns will be hide. Unhide the rows, Control plus Shift plus open bracket. Unhide the columns, Control plus Shift plus close bracket. Okay. And the select complete row. For example, if I want to select the D row totally, so just go with Control plus space bar. Instead of going to the top and selecting this total like this, and then you can reduce the time by giving Control plus space bar. Done. And if you want to minimize the file, Windows M, Windows plus M. If you the present file which you want to minimize and go with some other screens, so just do the Windows plus M, and you can see the second screen. And if you want to unminimize the same file, for example, this file, you want to do Shift plus Windows plus M, and the same file will be unminimized. And go into the filter option. And if you go into the filter option, instead of going to home button and going to this sort and filter and going to the select filter, this may take time at least 4 to 5 seconds. Okay. To reduce that time, I just want to give you the simple command Control plus Shift plus L, and the filters will be appear. You can download whatever, you can select whatever the data you want, and you can copy that into some other files. And again, you want to go to the normal file, just go with Control plus Shift plus L, and the filters will be removed. These 30 keys are the basic keys and the shortcut keys which we can use in our Excel daily life. So I hope you like this file, you like this video, and like and comment and subscribe. And any other queries, please do comment in the comment box. I will reply immediately. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe.